Bitcoin's recent price rejection has triggered significant bearish pressure, putting crucial support levels under serious threat. But here's where it gets controversial. Many traders wonder whether this dip signals a new downtrend or just a temporary correction before another rally. If you're watching Bitcoin closely, you'll want to understand the dynamics at play and how they could impact your trading decisions. Recently, Bitcoin attempted to initiate a fresh upward movement, but it faced resistance around the $90,000 mark and was unable to break through. As a result, BTC has entered a phase of consolidation, which may make it difficult to push past the $88,000 region in the near term. Key points of the recent price action. Bitcoin began a new decline after failing to sustain gains above $87,000. Currently, the price is trading below the $87,500 level and the 100-hour simple moving average, indicating bearish momentum. The breakdown below a bullish trend line support at approximately $86,450 on the hourly BTC/USD chart, based on Kraken data, signals increased selling pressure. If Bitcoin manages to stabilize above the $87,500 zone, there is potential for a bounce or further upward move. Market dynamics and short-term outlook. After attempting to push above the $88,000 and $88,500 resistance levels, Bitcoin wrestled with a key resistance zone near $90,000. Its reaction was a sharp decline, breaking below $88,000 amid heightened sell-offs. The move below the trend line support at $86,450 even saw the price dip below $86,000 for a brief period. Despite this, buyers were active around the $85,250 level, preventing deeper declines. The local low was established at approximately $85,282, from which Bitcoin now shows signs of a minor correction. The recent rally attempt retraced about 23.6% of the downward move, measured from the swing high of $90,318 down to the low of $85,282, indicating some buying interest at these levels. Currently, bears have a grip near the $87,000 zone, with Bitcoin trading below this level and the 100-hour simple moving average, which suggests downside pressure persists. Should buying momentum re-emerge, however, the price could attempt to bounce back. Immediate resistance levels sit around $86,800, with more significant resistance expected near $87,350 and potentially at $87,800, coinciding with the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the recent decline. Breaking above this zone could signal a stronger recovery, aiming toward the $88,000 mark and possibly challenging the $89,200 resistance. If momentum continues upward, next hurdles would be at $90,000 and $90,500. What if the bulls can't break higher? Failure to move past the $87,800 resistance could see Bitcoin resuming its downward trend. Immediate support begins at roughly $85,500, with a key level at $85,250. If selling intensifies, the next support zone lies around $85,000, with further declines targeting $84,200. Should losses extend beyond this point, the main support is at approximately $83,500, below which Bitcoin could accelerate downward, leading to more considerable downside momentum. Technical indicators show worsening sentiment. The hourly MACD is gradually losing bullish strength and is now entering the bearish zone. The hourly RSI, Relative Strength Index, is dipping below 50, indicating weakening buying pressure. Summary of critical levels. Support, $85,500, followed by $85,000, and then $84,200. Resistance, $87,800 and $88,000. Are we heading toward a deeper correction or preparing for another rally? Given the current volatile signals and key support/resistance levels, traders are divided on whether this dip will be short-lived or the start of a more significant downtrend. Share your thoughts. Do you believe Bitcoin will bounce back, or is this the beginning of a sustained decline? Drop your opinions in the comments and join the debate.